Dear students, today we are going to do exercise 3.7, question number 7, third part. This is same as we have done the questions yesterday. X upon a minus y upon b is equal to 0. Ax plus by is equal to a square plus b square. First of all, we take this equation and take the LCM. LCM of this is AB. AB divided by A, we get B. B multiplied by X, BX. Minus AB divided by B, we get A. A multiplied by Y, AY is equal to 0. This AB will go to that side. 0 multiplied by AB, it will become 0 only. What will be left? BX minus AY is equal to 0. Second equation is this. Clear? Let us solve it by again elimination method. To make the coefficient same, multiply this by A and this by B. Let's multiply this whole equation by A. AB x minus A into AY, A square y equal to 0, and B into AX, BAX, B into BY plus B square y is equal to B into A square plus B square. I have not multiplied, I have just written B out, so that if some cancellation is possible, I can cancel later on. So I have not multiplied. Clear? Now what we do, we put it like this: minus A square y minus B square y. You can take minus common, then it come out to be A square y plus B square y. I have taken minus common out. A square y plus B square y is equal to minus B A square plus B square. This minus and this minus will cut. Take out y common. A square plus B square is equal to B A square plus B square. This A square plus B square and this A square plus B square will be cut. So y is equal to B. Clear? We have got the value of y. Now we put value of y in equation 1. This equation 1 is bx minus ay is equal to 0. Put here bx minus ay equal to 0. Bx minus a, in place of y we put b equal to 0. Bx is equal to ba, and this bb will cut, x will be equal to a. So we have got value of x is equal to a and y is equal to b. We have done here elimination method. Clear? Now come to next question. This seems to be difficult, but it is not too difficult. Do it by the same method. Just you have to concentrate yourself so that no term should be skipped off and no sign should be skipped off. Look, a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to this a plus b in one bracket, another bracket x plus y is equal to a square plus b square. What we do, we keep this statement as it is. Clear? Here I am opening it. A plus b into x. I am not opening like ax plus ay. Why I am not opening like this? Because here we have a minus b into x, a plus b into y. So we want to make the same kind of form. So we will multiply like this: a plus b into x, a plus b into x, plus a plus b into y, a plus b into y is equal to a square plus b square. Now we will, coefficients are same, a plus b and a plus b. Subtract. When we subtract, we change the sign. This is plus sign, it become minus. This is plus sign become minus. this is plus sign become minus. Now this a plus by and a plus by, this is of negative sign, this is of positive sign, it will cut. Now what will be left? A minus b into x. Now this minus sign, this is minus sign. A plus b into x, this term minus this term, is equal to this whole minus this whole. A square minus 2ab minus b square minus this complete a square plus b square. Clear? Now out of this take x common, and when I am taking x common, I am opening the bracket also. A minus b as it is. Now it is minus sign. Inside the bracket signs will change. This is plus a become minus a. This is plus b become minus b. Equal to, open this bracket also, a square minus 2ab minus b square minus a square. This become minus b square. Now look, this minus a and a will cut. Minus b minus 2b into x is equal to, here also a square and minus a square cut. What is left? Minus b square minus 2b square minus 2ab. Now take it minus 2bx. Here out of this take minus 2b common. What is left? Here b will be left. Minus we have taken out common, plus a will be left. Clear? Minus 2b cut. So x will be a plus b. So you have got the value of x. Now same method, we will put the value of x in any of the equation. You can put in this equation also, you can put in this equation also. It is up to you. I am putting in first equation. First equation is this, a minus b. In place of x we will put a plus b plus this same, this also same. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square plus this same, this also same. Now what you will do? You will take this to this side, and when you take this to this side, this plus a square will become minus a square and minus b square will become plus b square. Look, a plus b into y is equal to, this become minus a square, it become plus a square. Minus a square plus a square cut. Minus b square plus b square cut. What will be left? Minus 2b. Now we have to find value of b. Why? This will come down, minus 2ab upon a plus b. So is it clear? You please see this again also. To better understand the questions, these questions especially, see this video 2 times so that you can understand it in a better way. Clear? Now come to this question. This is a particular type of question and its a solution we can't do by elimination, we will not do by substitution, we will not do by cross multiplication, we will not do by reducible method, we will not do by graphical method. No. For these kind of questions, what is the specification of this kind of question? In questions की पहचान क्या है? What is the specification? The coefficient, numerical coefficient of x in one equation will be same as the numerical coefficient of y in the other equation. Similarly, numerical coefficient of x in the second equation will be same as the numerical coefficient of y in the first equation. यानी its x coefficient equal to its y coefficient, its x coefficient is equal to its y coefficient. So in these kind of questions, where the coefficients of two equations of x and y respectively are equal, in this kind of questions we opt for a specific method, a special method, and that method is one time we add these equation and one time we subtract these equation. By adding we get one set, by subtracting we get another set. Clear? In these kind of questions we follow only this method. One time we add, one time we subtract. Let's first add. When we add, we don't change the sign. So now sign will be changed. Clear? This is plus 152 minus 378. It will be minus 226x. Minus 378 plus 152, again plus minus, minus sign of greater number, minus 226y is equal to minus minus plus, but we put the sign of minus only. Sign minus, but we add 678. Now you see carefully, this is 226, this is 226, and it is 226 3 the 678. So we can say like this also, take 226 common. Yeah, we can say like this also, divide by 226 the whole equation. Right? When we take 226 common, yeah, we divide by 226, we divide by minus 226, we divide by minus 226. This will cut, x will be left. This will cut, plus y will be left, because this minus and this minus will cut each other. Is equal to this minus and this minus cut, it cut by 3. So x plus y is equal to 3. Here we have done addition. So we have got one equation, x plus y is equal to 3. This is one equation. Clear? Now we subtract, and you know when we subtract we change the sign. This is minus sign become plus sign, this is plus sign become minus sign, and this is minus sign become plus sign. Clear? Now let's solve. This is plus, this is plus, plus plus plus, add up both, 530x. This is minus, this is minus, minus minus also plus, but sign of minus. 378 and 152, 530, y equal to, this is minus, this is plus, plus minus minus, but sign of greater number, sign of greater number. So subtract, when we subtract we get the 530, but sign of greater number means plus sign. Now here also you see 530 is common in all these, so divide by 530. Yeah, you can take, say, if I take 530 common, right? 530 cut, x will be left. 530 cut minus y equal to 530 cut 1. So x minus y is equal to 1. This is your second equation. Now your first equation was x plus y is equal to 3. Second equation is x minus y is equal to 3. This is first equation, this is second equation. Solve it by elimination method. Plus y minus y cut, 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 2 in either this equation or this equation. So x plus y is equal to 3. 2 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1. Is it clear, children? Any doubt here? You just make clear here one thing. In these kind of questions, one time you add, other time you subtract. And by adding you get one equation, by subtracting you will get one equation, and solve those two equations. Clear? Now this is the last question. In this question, figure is given in the book. Now children, you see it carefully. A, B, C, D, it is a quadrilateral, and it is a cyclic quadrilateral because it is in the circle. And you know, in 9th class you have done, in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. Means angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree and angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Now what is angle A? 4y plus 20. What is angle C? 4x is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 4y plus 20. Angle C is 4x is equal to 180. So 4y plus 4x, this 20 will go to that side. 180 minus 20, it come out to be 160. Take 4 common from whole equation. Yeah, cut by 4. It will come out to be y. Divide by 4, come out to be x. Here also divide by 4, come out to be 40. So here this first equation is y plus x is equal to 40. Similarly, angle B plus angle D, its sum is also 180 degree. So angle B plus angle D is equal to also 180 degree. Angle B is 3y minus 5 plus angle D is 7x plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. Open it, and when you open it, this minus 5 and this plus 5 will cut. What will be left? 3y plus 7x is equal to 180. This is your second equation. Clear? Now, this is your first equation, this is your second equation. To make the coefficient same, you will have to multiply it by 3. 3 into y, 3y, plus 3 into x, 3x, is equal to 3 into 40, 120, is equal to 3y plus 7x is equal to 180. Change the sign, minus, it's plus, it become minus, it's plus, it become minus. This will cut. Plus 3 minus 7 minus 4x. Plus 120 minus 180 minus 60. So to bring the value of x, minus 4 will come down. Minus 60 upon minus 4. Minus minus cut. This will cut. You will be getting 15. Now we will put the value of x in any of the equation. I am putting in this equation. Y plus x is equal to 40. Y plus 15 is equal to 40. Y is equal to 40 minus 15, 25. Now we have got the value of x. We have got the value of y. We can find angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Angle A is what? 4y plus 20. 4, y is how much? 25 plus 20. 4 into 25, 100 plus 20, it come out to be 120 degree. Clear? Angle B is what? 3y minus 5. 3 into what is y? 25 minus 5. It is 75. 325 the 75 minus 5. It come out to be 70 degree. Angle C is what? 4x. 4 into x is 15. 4 into 15 is 60 degree. And angle D is what? 7x plus 5 degree. 7, x was 15 plus 5. 15 7 the 105 plus 5. It come out to be 110 degree. So children, is it clear? You now complete exercise 3.7, and today this chapter is over, and then we will start with the next chapter, quadratic equation. Thank you.